with the increasing complexity and the increasing volume of data that needs to be exchanged, we've had to update our mission, and that is to facilitate the exchange of not only transactional data, but also high-grade, commercial-grade e-commerce content, which is product content, as well as to reestablish ourselves as the standards body for the electrical industry. So we're going to set, facilitate, and monitor those standards on behalf of the industry.
Now IDEA is able to take manufacturers' data in any format. That benefits Crescent as it allows us to be a lot more efficient with our time.
The fact is we have an entity that's owned by all of us as members of NAD and NEMA that is trying to facilitate this. The key right now is to put a focus to the best solution we have as an industry, which is the IDEA organization.
This is another important turning point where manufacturers and distributors are coming together to talk about creating a data model that will provide the ability to create a harmonized data model which will introduce new efficiencies for both manufacturers and distributors. And at the end of the day, what we really want to do is make sure that everybody gets the best value that they can get.
Being able to take manufacturers' data in any format and then put that into the single format that we as a distributor ingest, that means that our customers see that data. Our customers can search that data. And that's ultimately the bread and butter of a digital experience for our customers.
Our core competency is to promote the exchange of high-quality data from our manufacturers to their trading partners. We've been challenged to increase the value of that data. We're the baseline. We are the facilitators of the exchange, but we're actually bringing in state-of-the-art, world-class companies as third-party partners to add value to that data.